Yo, welcome, I'm Rally here, and today we're picking up a new car. Now this car is apparently a supercar, thanks to the RAC, but I mean, yeah. But I consider it, and probably you all, just to be a sports car. Somewhere around here is my new car. Where? I ain't got a clue. Let's go in and find out.
Slower this time, so just come off the throttle a bit, come through this corner, nothing coming. I'm still doing 60 miles an hour. I'm not breaking the speed limit, but I'm just doing it without braking and slowing down too much. Cyclists, slow down. Shop here on the left, so I'm always looking at what's going on. So the shop here on the left, people will be coming out of there going into the car park. There's a guy on a bike around the corner here somewhere, so give them plenty of room. Again, as much of the road as you need. If there's nobody else on it, you might as well use it. So again, I'm looking at that car up in front, so I'm across here, so I'm cutting the angle down all the time, so I don't have to keep going on and off the throttle, just keeping the momentum, keeping the speed. So one of the things that we were always taught is 30-40 mile an hour speed limits you adhere to. The rest of it, go and have some fun, but don't get anybody else embroiled in your silliness. So we're in a 30 now. I've got, again, looking at the car, always looking as far as I can. So this car's going to turn right. There is no point in me rushing up behind him. The 3 times that I was behind him, he's braked very, very early. So quite a cautious driver, I would suggest. So I'm now looking at that Volvo right up at the top. So I'm now going to stick at 30 miles an hour because it's a 30 mile an hour speed limit. I had a pilot in a 911 a while ago, and I always ask people how they want to be driven because I don't, I can drive a car quickly. And he said, no, can you show me? I gave him a rough idea of what I was doing. Got to the changeover point, he said, I could never drive a car that fast. I said, yeah, I can't fly an aeroplane, and I can't do IT, and there's a billion things I can't do. All I've done with my life is play with cars, and I have a lot of fun with them. And I still enjoy it. I still enjoy driving quickly and safely. And all the time I enjoy it, I'll carry on doing it. Take it out of its showroom environment.
That is just absolutely insanely gorgeous, this car. I mean, they've done a good job. You've done a good job as well, John. Not gonna lie.
It's not me, it's my boys, they've done a good job.
It's absolutely, like, the car just looks absolutely amazing. It is.
So I think I'll paint that grille black.
You make the grille black?
I think I would, yeah.
What, to match the wheels?
Yeah.
Yeah, that might be a good a good idea, to be honest with you. But that is still an amazing looking car. Yes guys, I bought an Aston Martin. So this is such a beautiful car. I mean, we've got the swan neck doors. Once I figure out how to open this up, like the way that just goes up like that. We've got the handbrake that falls down to the floor like in the Jaguars, and then we've got a reverse rev counter over there. Just look at the dash here, like you've got the engine start button. That is just, I mean, you've got a clock. I need to set that clock because that's currently showing the wrong time. 6-speed manual. It's really cool in here. We've got like the granddad spec style beige seats. I don't know why we've got some purple surround bits down there. We've got a like a beige like Alcantara-ish headliner, and everything else is pretty much black. I mean, this is, I don't even know what colour this is. This is like a silver, but more of that purpley tone. Again, I'm not quite sure why that's purple. The keys from a Volvo. And under the bonnet, we've got a 4.3 litre V8. So this thing makes about 380 horsepower, 0 to 60 in about 5 seconds. Is it fast as cars modern? Not really, but I mean, your stage 2, stage 10 remapped Fiestas or whatnot can probably keep up with this. But either way, I mean, this is an Aston. Half of it's a Ford and the other half's a Volvo, to be honest with you. But I mean, overall, I'm actually really happy with this car. It is, Mole Valley has been absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. They deal with Jaguars, TVRs, Astons. Literally anything you can think of, they do it. Land Rovers, anything like that. But unfortunately, that does come with a price, and that is the BMW is now sold, unfortunately. So for a convertible BMW to an Aston Martin, it's pretty wild. It's pretty wild. The Civic is still going to be somewhat worked on in the future, and the Camaro I've still got that. That's going to be getting worked on soon as well. But all in all, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Wow.